Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my lovely client. Today I'm going to lift her lash, which is also known as eyelash perming. Here I'm using Elevina One Shot Lash Lift Kit today. These includes makeup remover, lifting needle, lifting lotion, setting lotion, angle brush, and lift glue.
For mercy, how much longer?
And today my client has long but she has straight lash. At first I am applying glue like this on the lifting rod and then placing the lifting rod on eyelid like this and hold it for a few seconds. I am applying it on both sides and I'll hold it for a few seconds so that it will stick nicely. And after that I am putting glue on the top of lifting rod in this way. With the help of this sharp needle, I will lift the eyelash like this upward and stick it to the lifting rod. As you can see, I'm lifting the lash upward and sticking on the lifting rod. We need to do it smoothly and make sure that no any lashes are unlifted. After lifting all the lashes, we need to let it dry for a few seconds as well. So I'm just lifting all the lashes up so that any of the lashes are not unlifted. And this is lift lotion, and I'm applying lift lotion with sharp angle brush, and we need to make sure that we cover all the lashes. In this way I have applied on both of the lashes, and we need to let it process for 8 minutes, and processing time can vary if the lashes are strong and thick. Now I am soaking cotton ball and earbud to clean the lashes after 8 minutes. So I'm using water, and in this way I'm using wet earbud to clean the lashes. So while cleaning the lashes we need to clean upward. After cleaning lashes with clean water, we need to apply setting lotion the same way we applied lift lotion and leave it for 5 minutes. Then finally we can remove the rod with the help of wet earbud, gently like this, and we must make sure that the lashes are all clean.
All right, just like it is.
Here you go, this is the final look for lash lifting.
And all this time,
as you guys can see, these lashes are lifted so well. This is amazing transformation from straight lash to curly. As you guys can see here how happy my client looks with the final lash lifting look. And she's too much happy and satisfied. Lash lifting makes eyes more bigger, brighter and beautiful. As you can see here, this looks so beautiful and nice. And I hope you like my lash lifting video, and I have Sarchen Beauty Facebook page as well, which you can follow for all my regular updates. And thank you for watching.
oh, what a cry.